Hi, welcome to CyberLabs. Today we are going to explore the CSI operating system. This is made for digital forensics and online investigations. So, how can we install and operate this system? Firstly, we are going to know what is the default username and default password of this Linux. Before we are going to start our video, as a disclaimer, this video is for educational purpose. Kindly do not experiment on unauthorized access, unauthorized data. Kindly, thank you. So we are going to explore how can we use this, and for the digital forensic and online investigation, this is made for especially for private investigators or social government investigators. This operating system is huge and more interesting. Like, I think this is best for OSINT and gather the information from all over the world. So this is the image of CSI Linux virtual appliance. There's minimum requirements here, and there's virtual machine and virtual box, VMware and virtual box if you want. I suggest always VMware workstation because this is more smoother than virtual box. Simply download this image from this site, CSI Linux download. Here's VirtualBox image and VMware image. So I suggest for VMware image because this is smoother than VirtualBox. Simply click here for download and click to the download. And after click, extract this file to your computer and simply go to the virtual VMware workstation virtual machine and open a virtual machine. Here is extracted file and simply open it. I have opened CSI Linux. Before power on this virtual machine, there is some basic settings like memory, processor and hard disk or network adapter display setting. This is for optional for your system, and simply I'm going to power on this virtual machine, and for looking at how's the environment of this CSI Linux. This is made for forensics investigation, online investigation. Private investigators basically use this system for gather information all around the world or from open source intelligence, dark web investigation. I'm going to pause the video because the setup is time consuming. And here is the page of login. This default username is CSI and password is also CSI. Tap this and simply enter the password. So we are in. This is the interface of CSI Linux. We are going to explore the tools of this operating system, which is by default installed in this. First of all, we have CSI Linux tools. There's multiple tools of for forensics or center investigations. From here you can start your case. API website, PowerUp, CSI Tor VPN for this is built in for change your IP CSI gateway using This is for change your IP address or MAC address, or you can use this for net mask for dark web investigation. What is my IP? You can check your IP address from here. CSI social media search and CSI geolocator. You can find the Wi-Fi networks or other networks from here of any case for any victim. CSI video downloader and etc. Secure commons message applications, and link your phone. If you have phone from crime scene or from any other site, you can link this phone from here and get information from this Linux. Encryption, OSINT and online investigation, dark web. This is especially for dark web investigation. If you are a government investigator, you can find some information from dark web. This we will explore for more. We will go to the detail of this dark web. OSINT investigation, computer forensic, mobile forensic, vehicle forensic. This is my favorite segment for wireless SDR software defined radio or signals. So first of all, we are going to start from start a case. I simply click start a case for start my new case. If you are an investigator, you can start your new case from here. Start a case. Start new case from here, and okay, type the name of your case. I type my test case from here. Simply OK, and this is CSI management menu. First of all, here is open source intelligence, OSINT online. So I'm going to click simply from here. I'm going to start from here, OSINT online. Gather information from internet simply, and I type my case name, which is test, and simply click OK. This is domain and websites. Geolocation, BSSID, SSID, social media, OSINT, dark web investigation. These are the tools pre-installed for CSI Linux. If you want to search domains and websites, simply click here for the test domains, and for geolocation, IP, SSID, BSSID. If I want to click geolocations for SSID, so wireless SSID name access point. If you want to check any of other SSID or wireless investigation, you can simply click for wireless SSID. If you have MAC address, you can search the live location of this. If you have ISP registered geolocation address, you can simply check from here the exact location of your victim. So I'm going to search wireless SSID information, enter SSID of Wi-Fi access point. If I'm going to check my own ID empty link, this is access point of my Wi-Fi network, and it will scan from all over the world and give me the information from here. From internet, this is England, and SSID, this is SSID. There's a lot of empty link routers, empty link locations. This is if you can check your victims SSID from here, you can more investigate of it. This is also PK Karachi, Rashid House Road from Karachi, Pakistan, and these are also Karachi, Sindh, Shara, Liaquat. And multiple investigation agencies use this information for their investigation. Here is, just check this, the lot of empty link, Wi-Fi network. This is real OSINT from in all over the world. This is basic for CSI Linux. If you want to save this information for your investigation, simply save this file for your investigation, your case. I'm going to exit, close without saving. Now to close this terminal, I'm going to OSINT for social media accounts. Like if you have any social media account, you have any person that you are investigating a case for case on him, you can search the social media accounts of it. Simply search username search. I'm going to search username of my own, that is Junaid Ahmed 51. This is my Instagram account. This is I sign up for test, and this is the username of it. Simply click OK and search the social media username search for all social media accounts. This username is in Twitter or Facebook or Google or any social site you can find from here. Just simply wait for it, and was terminal. Sorry, here's look. This is searching for this username in all social media platforms. Here's Instagram. If you want to search this is on Instagram also. There is slide share, which I have not found. This is not found from here, but other sites is Facebook and some others. Here is multiple social media platforms. This is scanning complete. Would you like to open the finding in a browser? If I want to check these all in my browser, simply click yes, but I'm going to click no because I don't want to check this information on my browser. This is for testing only. I'm going to click on no and enter the search for username. If you want to search any username from here, these are the sites to check from all social media platforms. Okay, now we are going to check some other information like other websites, username search, phone search, geolocation, which we have searched before this step, cryptocurrency wallet lookup, GitHub user info, Instagram user info. If I click on it, username to search on Instagram, we have searched, but I'm going to search again for this user on Instagram. Enter your Instagram username and enter your Instagram password, but I don't have in this time. TikTok user video download. This is for investigation and open source intelligence. You can collect the information of your victim. All have this is social media. This is for social media collection. Screenshot of web page, Spiderfoot web application OSINT, Multigo GUI analysis. Multigo is a GUI based application. This is for OSINT also, but we can explore this in another video. We will explore this in next any video. Hidden eye social engineering. Send link to get location. If you want to FBI most wanted list here, you can check this for your information only. So this is information. This information for educational purpose only. Kindly don't use this for any other illegal activity. So this is social media platform for OSINT. I'm going to exit this, and we will go to the check other information from other sites. Exit from here. Now we are going to dark web investigations. This topic is more and more interesting and more dangerous for any beginners. So simply type the dark web investigation and click here and write the name of your case, which was test is building environment, and turn on off CSI Tor VPN route all traffic through Tor. So first of all, you must change your IP address or turn on the Tor browser from Tor VPN from here, and enter your password, which is CSI, and my network router is J. For ensure my network router, I simply click the terminal and type ifconfig for my adapter, which is used for this is my ENS32. ENS32. Okay, I'm closing the terminal. CSI Tor VPN on. Okay, it will change my location, and it will connect to the my IP to the VPN for dark web investigation. So here is some steps. Okay, this is connect. So the see my background, my CSI Linux background is changed because this is the new system, and my IP address is bypassing through the VPN, Tor VPN. Create or start your unique Tor hidden service.onion. If you simply click here and type the password, this is especially for dark web investigation. If any expert investigator used online investigation, these sites are. This is the site. It created a site for me for investigate and OSINT information from dark web. Tor search engines. You can search the Tor like Tor search engine and some others from dark web investigation. Okay, yes, some information from here. I can't go to in the deep this information. I'm just exploring this CSI Linux. This is meant for investigation. Okay. Online wallet, multiple currencies, cryptocurrency, ledger, onion share. This is for the investigation. So I'm going to click. I'm going to close this system. Okay, close. Now next step is video capture tools. Make a logical copy of mobile device. If you have a mobile device which is from crime scene, make a logical copy of a mobile device. Click here and click the Android simply, and your case name. Yeah, this is necessary for your system because automatically saved on my case files. So unlock the Android device, make sure USB debugging is on, allow trust. I don't have mobile phone for copy, so I'm just, if you want to copy a mobile phone data, simply click the first on the USB debugging from developer option and connect to your system, and simply click the make a logical copy from a mobile device and click yes. But I don't have phone, so I'm clicking no. Okay, now next is mount a forensic image or virtual machine disk. Computer forensic, this is computer forensic is necessary for investigation. My case name is test. Okay, this is for computer forensics. Tools are here: automatic tool, document templates, consent to search template, chain of custody, record the desktop, forensic device, image, data recovery, mount a forensic image, video triage, take snapshot, forensic registry, password cracking with the John the Ripper. This is also pre-installed in the CSI Linux, also for cracking the password, display password for a laptop or mobile phone, any other or any encrypted file you have to crack with the John Ripper. But there is an interesting tool, EXIF tool, like this is the image of from which mobile phone that I have. I can check the information of this image, so I simply type EXIF tool and path of this image. Sorry, if I want to check the information of this image, I simply use the tool in CSI Linux which is pre-installed, CD desktop, because this file is in desktop ls. Yeah, this is my JPG file, and I want to check the behind information this image. Simply use the tool of EXIF tool and type the name, path of this picture, click enter, and here is the information of this image. Profile creator Google, yeah, display RGB XYZ, also all type of information of this image is here. This is the lens made Google Pixel 8, back camera 6.9. this is the information, longitude, latitude also here, but here is the mobile model, so you can check any phone picture data from CSI Linux in EXIF tool. Okay, I'm going to exit. For more introduce the CSI Linux. Network forensic, computer forensic. Here network forensic, malware analysis. So my case name is test. Document template, network authorization, custody template, record desktops, Wireshark and BetterCap is also reinstalled in Kali Linux, also network miner and some others. This is network forensic malware analysis. If you have any APK file or you want to check the malware behind, here I am going to enter my case name. An Android APK tool, if I want to check my Android for check the malware analysis, if I have malware or not. Here's not APK file. Here is APK file. To check the APK file, malware analysis, reverse engineering. I want to check this APK file. This is patched virus or not, and the desktop, and click OK. Okay, existing case pick my case test and OK. It will check the APK file, is it malware or not. This is checking regular decoding. For simply check the APK file or exe file. Okay, APK tool and Android, two files here in my case file. This is the code. You can search if here is malware or not, and Android manifest XML file also here. So this is a very interesting tool for check the malware or not in the APK file or exe file or your computer. Simply close this. Okay, this is malware analysis. Document templates use encryptions. For encryption any drive, you can use this VeraCrypt tool. Okay, exit. This is okay. This is only one file from here. This is Geolocator, and we also tested here. Now we are going to secure commons messaging. If you want to send message, you can use these platforms, link phone or Android box encryption. Yeah, this is password and dictionary for making dictionary here. Offline password cracking also here. OpenCrack, Hashcat, John the Ripper, Mcrack, online remote password access, Medusa and Xhydra. OSINT, domain OSINT. Here is most of domain search tools for installed. Email OSINT, email to phone number, verify phone number information. If any information is in internet, on the internet, you can search from here for this phone number. Social media investigation in Instagram, Sherlock is very OSINT application for OSINT tool, for a very powerful tool for OSINT social media. OSINT framework, Multigo and Recon NG, Spider Photo also. Here's geolocation and social engineering tools, Google Maps and OpenStreetMap. Okay, now this section is dark web investigation. Is multiple CSI gateway using. This is for choose your Tor VPN, and I have already on this VPN, but I want to off this because I don't have any work on the dark web. Simply use this password and he is on, and you can check the off your Tor browser, Tor VPN, and click here for off this Tor VPN, and he is working on it. You can see here the Tor VPN is off. Now computer forensics tools: forensic disk imager, data recovery imager, file recovery, mobile forensic, Android forensics, Samsung mobile phone and tablets, APK tool, and some other tools for mobile forensics here. Here's WhatsApp Messenger. Vehicle forensic, can drone timeline. You can track the drone timeline from here. This and malware analysis and reverse engineering. Gitra and APK tool is here. This is for second. This is for wireless activity, only for wireless activity like SDR devices are defined, software defined radio investigation, crack and GR Moneng. This is for wireless and Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi Pumpkin is pre-installed here. Written Python that allow and offer the security research, teamwork and reverse engineering to mount a wireless network to conduct a man-in-the-middle attack. This is MITM attack for Wi-Fi Pumpkin, which is made fake AP for any Wi-Fi. SDR dumped 1090 mutability FM radio. FM radio is transmit and catcher. You can use this FM radio GUI based. Multiple tools here for radio investigation. SDR, MC catcher here, MC catcher sniffer. This is my favorite because this catch the signal from the mobile devices and tower networks. MC catcher, country, brand, operator, and other it will catch. And other tool is RTL SDR scanner. This is another topic for RTL SDR, MC catcher, and radio investigation is another long. Wireshark with GSM filter. This is Wireshark that capture packets from GSM filter, GSM network, hardware programming, and eternal signal identification. If you are investigator, you can check the signal from here and scan the signal, which signal is like pattern. Only check the pattern from here, which pattern is which signal here. This tool is also a powerful tool. Aircraft communications addressing and reporting system, ARQ. These are types of signal strength, frequencies, and the pattern here. And you can listen this sound, the signal sound and pattern. Okay, I'm closing here. Virtualization, VMware, also pre-installed, threat intelligence lab, threat, cyber threat, and here is multiple tools for investigation. So this is pre-installed tools here for your investigation, and OSINT, internet intelligence for investigator. Yes, your case files you can which you have searched before your case is here. Test and export index pictures and details also here, like videos, tools, and crime scene photos, index reports also here automatically saved here. So kindly subscribe my channel